I be vibes in this, be vibes in this, vibes in this, be vibes in this, be vibes in this, be vibes.
No, people. Them thing I may telling you about now. Zin, food type get boxed down by massacre. So from Aishana, from Bounty Killer, come straight down one bag of people. Food type of this disrespect and one bag of things. So people it really look forward for something like this happen. The crab in a barrel thing. You see me I say? The ears a ring thing there. You see me I say? Yeah, and them bag of chatting there. Follow up on Instagram and follow up and you know what I mean? Like social media, them wanna make all some talk and them something there. You know what I mean? So hard ears man, he's out. You see me I say? Hard ears. You know what I mean? Who can hear half a feel, you know? You see me I say? Cause see their ears again, you know. Empty bar make the most nice, you know. So you just a chat. So foot I fling a one lick and it miss. And the genocide just turn on the genocide, you know? Me no know no people, me no know if you hear about it or you know anything of it. Me need some video clip, me need something. Zin, say if you can link up Beer Vibes TV and send me a video clip, send me some audio, send me something cause me need to see it cause I want to show the world what your mouth will do. You see me? What happen to you when you use your mouth? Too much. You understand? Yeah man. The man humble for sure man. So me no know what go on people. Me no know what go on, but Massacre they have to give my hard ears as no, that me a hear a go on, that a go on. So if you have some information, you need to link Beer Vibes TV now. Yes, right now, people. Right now, Jeopardy. People, you see it? A Beer Vibes, you know. That me I telling about. Me know son well want him to get boxed down, man. Me know son well want him to get boxed down. But shake the shaker, you know. Shake the shaker, yes. I just say go people. You know what I mean? Yeah, me know that I really want him to get boxed down, but all fools there. You know what I mean? I will get catch. I will get caught. Yeah man, me know man. Foot hype, remember them man they get paid for talking. But you can't talk too much. Hold your trap. You know what I mean? You can't just fly a rat trap, you just fly. It's your boy Grizzly Bear, Beer Facts, Beer Vibes TV, and I'm out.
I be vibes in this, be vibes in this, vibes in this, be vibes in this, be vibes in this, be vibes.